Time to take a bath. Bunny, where are you?
Kuchi, 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 kuchi. Time to take a bath. Hi. Dapat, pag pinaliliguan ng rabbit, shampoo. Oh, there you go. Marami kang bisita mamayang bata, kaya kailangan mo maligo. Okay? Shampoo. Behave. Wow, behave. Let's show them how to take a bath for a bunny. Tapos, because bunny always poo-poo and always wee-wee, they have dirty feet. See? Look at the dirty feet. Ew! Dirty feet! You are black and white, so therefore, being black and white, the dirty part of our body is easily to be seen. Okay? Oh! Do not jump off, please. I'm sorry. Does it hurt your eyes? Oh, whoa. You need to clean. Okay? Sorry. Ayan. And then, she sprinkled it on my mouth. Ew! Just kidding. Okay, then we have the sabon your paa. Where's the brush? We need to get a brush. Wait a minute. Hold on. Do not jump off. There you go. Very good. And then let's brush your let's brush your foot. There. Do we need bleacher? Because it's really brown and dirty. And then this one. You know what? You are black and white. That's why you are like zebra and also a panda. But not too closely with Siberian Husky. Okay, because you doesn't look like a wolf. Anyway. We're going to have a bathtub here. Oh, Tabo also works in two ways. It's what you use when a human just finished pooping, and also when a human being is taking a bath. But then, this time around, this will be used as a bathtub for a bunny. There you go. Please do not jump off, okay? You are taking a video there, oh. They will see that as if I'm hurting you, but I'm not. I want to take care of you like a baby. There. Okay? And then, no more sabon. No more sabon. No more sabon. Wait. I'm going to dry you with a blow dryer. Do not get mad at me. Because you have to be clean. Okay? There you go. Thank you, Lord, for the blessings of water. We are very rich when it comes to water, but we're not going to waste it because we need to learn conservation of natural resources. There you go. Do rabbits also take good care of themselves to bath themselves when they're in the forest? I wonder. Okay, let's take a pose. Because you know what? My rabbit eats wood on our doors. Now is the time to dry him up. There. He has a skirt as a towel. That is my skirt. Now it is going to be the drying part. Very dry. Your baby cat.